Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the KB5082002 update not installing on Windows 11. First, restart your PC. This may sound simple, but it often fixes temporary glitches that stop updates from installing. After restarting, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and try installing the update again. If the update still does not install, pause the updates for a few seconds and then resume them. To do this, open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Pause Updates, wait a moment, and then click Resume Updates. This refreshes the update process. Next, you can run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, and open Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let it scan and fix any issues automatically. If the problem continues, you need to repair system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scanno, then press Enter. After it finishes, type the dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health command and press Enter. Let the process finish. This repairs deeper system issues. These tools fix corrupted files that often block updates. After that, restart your PC and try updating again. If nothing works, you can install the update manually. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5082002. Download the correct version for your system, either x64 or ARM64, and open the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen steps to install it. Thanks for watching.